Hi guys. Let's try that again. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you turban styles that are perfect for when you have braids, jumbo braids, anything that adds kind of a lot of bulk to your head. All these styles can be achieved using when you don't have braids in your hair, but they look particularly good with braids and kind of, you know, don't make your head look kind of bulky and chunky and bumpy and weird. Basically all the styles I'm going to show you today are with the same chiffon scarf, so we'll get into the video now. Okay, so for this first style you're gonna want to have your hair in a low bun, your braids in low bun like this. So this is my underscarf. Let me just pause it here. So this is my underscarf, so I always wear this. It's satin and I use it to protect my hair, but it can also be quite helpful in just helping to smooth out, you know, everything going on under there. Okay, so take your chiffon scarf and I'm going to fold it a third of the way down, and then you're going to put it on your head from the back to the front. Okay, and you want the two sides to be the same length. Then you're going to take the right side and you're going to be twisting that inwards towards your face, and just keep adjusting as you're doing it, because as you're doing it then you're going to kind of be pulling your scarf kind of upwards. So just keep adjusting until you twist it to about this point, and then you're going to twist the left side and you're going to do that one inwards also. Okay, so both of them going inwards towards your face, and then you'll start twisting the two sides around each other. Do it once, twice, and a third time, and then just take it back like I've just done there, and then continue twisting down your down the left hand side of your face. And I twisted it a further 6 times, and then I will just go ahead and take the side that is facing inwards towards my neck, and then take that round to the back and tuck it in. If you use the wrong side, you'll soon know about it because it'll start to unravel. So that's literally, I love this style. This is an absolute, this just came out completely by mistake, but I think it looks so good. Like every detail is just on point, and there you have it. Just make any adjustments as required, and that's really, it's really that simple. And also there's a slight variation that you can do as well if you don't want the bit down the side dangling down. So I'll show you that shortly. Let me just give you a 360 view of this one. There you go. Absolutely love this style. So neat, so clean. Okay, so the variation is to just simply take that tail and tuck it in at the back. And this style also looks really, really good, really clean, really neat. So it's entirely up to you how you wear it. What do you guys think about this one? Do you like it? Let me know down in the comments section below. Okay, so this next style is a nice drape style, so you want your left side to be longer than your right. And by the way, I did fold the front one time. I think I must have started recording after I'd done that, but yeah. So you're going to put your scarf on at an angle on your head like this, so from left to right at an angle, and then just take the two sides across the back, and then you're going to take the right side and just like ruche it up a bit. And then take it over to the other side of your head at an angle. So I really liked having this little peekaboo of the underscarf, but you obviously don't have to. You can totally cover it up if you want to. You'll just need to adjust the angle. Okay, and then you simply take the long tail to the back and then loop it through towards the front of your head, and this is one way to do it, and then that gives you kind of the drape sits kind of higher up on the side of your face. Okay, then just adjust, and that is literally the style right there. Super simple, and I'll show you a variation. Okay, so this is the other way to tie it. So then take the short side, bring it to the front and loop it towards the back like this. And then that's how you get it to hang lower down the side of your face. And then again, just adjust it and you're done. And I really like that little peekaboo of that cap. I really do like that actually. But like I said, you can completely cover it up if you want to. And there you have it, the same style, but just hanging in a different position on your face. Well, the side of your face. Okay, so this one you're going to start with the left side shorter than the right, and then you're just going to kind of fold the front bit over one time, and then cross the two sides over at the back, like so. And then you're going to take that left side and then bring it round over your head, just like that, and just let all the material hang. Then you're going to bring that side to the other side, back to the left side, and then just tuck it under so it's nice and secure under your scarf right there. And that is literally the style, and you can just drape it all to one side. You can also just leave it all hanging backwards, but I quite like to drape it to the side like this. Super simple, super easy style, and it looks so nice. For this one, you want to start with 2 even sides, and then you're just going to fold the front over a few times just so that you've got enough material at the back to cover the back, but it's not too much to the point where you're going to have too much material to work with. So once I get there, then I just frame the scarf around my face how I want to. I've just been really liking the little bit of the undercap showing. And then you cross it over at the back like so, nice and neatly. And then you just take one of the sides and twist it. This is such a simple style, but it looks really cute. And then you just take it around your bun at the back, and then you'll just tuck it in on itself, just like this, so it's nice and secure. And then you're going to do exactly the same thing with the other tail. Just give it a good old twist and wrap it around the bun. Twist, 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 and wrap. And then just tuck it under into one of those pockets until it feels nice and secure. Just like that. And it's that simple, literally takes a minute to do. And yeah, there we have it. Okay, so for this style I've changed the base, so I put my braids into a top bun at the top of my head, and then you're going to fold your scarf a third of the way down, put it on the back of your head, bring the tails to the front. Then you're just going to cross them over and form this V at the front of your head, and then twist them around each other like that. And then you're going to simply take them around to the back, cross them over, bring them back round to the front. I lightly twist them a bit just to give it a bit of structure, and then I'm just going to tie the two sides together and leave them hanging. And it's just like a messy updo, but I really like this. It's just like carefree but fabulous. So yeah, I really like this one. What do you guys think of it? Are you like? And just adjust as you need to, and bam, there you have it. You see, by twisting you get that nice kind of neat structured look at the back. Okay, so this next style you're going to start the same base as before, so the top bun, and then you're gonna fold the scarf a third of the way down again, like that. Put it on from the front to the, no, from the back to the front. I'm getting all Craig David on you now. Then you're going to cross the two sides over like that to form a V at the front of your head, and then twist it again like so. Then this time you're going to start twisting from the very front. Keep twisting, twisting, twisting. You want quite defined, tight twists. Okay, keep going, cross the two sides over, but keep twisting them as you go, and then bring them back around to the front, and then you're just simply going to tuck them securely into the pockets around at the front like I'm doing now. So super simple, as you just saw there. Just tidy things up, tuck anything that needs tucking, and how elegant does this style look? I absolutely love this one. I pretty much love all these styles, guys. What do you guys think of this one? It looks so intricate, but it's so easy to do. Okay, so this next style, I wasn't going to include it, but I thought, you know what, I might as well, because it is different, it gives you a different look. So it's the same base as the one before, the top bun, and then you can fold it a third of the way down here. I just literally ruched it at the back, bring it to the front, cross over, lightly twist, take the two sides back and then back to the front, take the two sides around the back and back to the front, and then simply just tuck them into the pockets. So this one's a lot more of a kind of messy kind of style, less defined, if that makes any sense. And then just simply adjust it, tuck anything in that needs tucking in, and that's basically this one. Another super simple style, but it just looks really good at the front there with that simple crossover. So yes guys, let me know down below which styles you loved and which styles you'll be trying. If you do try them out, be sure to share them with me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next week guys. Bye.